Show that boy snap. He say you the high one. Nah, that boy high. We'll say today, tomorrow, but tomorrow, today. Oh, man. Say it's my birthday. Happy Z-Day. All that smoke. I'm high as fuck. They say it's Black History Month. No, it ain't, boy. It ain't Black History Month, boy. Nah, niggas saying anything. Niggas saying anything. It is not Black History Month, boy. Hell no. I ain't going for that. Nah, I ain't going for that. Nah, it's the Super Bowl then. Fuck it. Tomorrow the Super Bowl. Today my dad's birthday. Oh hell no. My fridge looks so bullshit right now. Let me look how they left the nigga after Thanksgiving, y'all. What the fuck? Oh hell no. We gonna rock out with that, but damn. That shit bullshit. They done drunk all the drinks. Motherfuckers done drunk all the drink. But what if I get thirsty? You know that? I don't like that. I don't like that. Y'all left the nigga one water. What if I get thirsty while I'm playing 2K or some shit? One thing about that Fiji water, God created this bitch right here. I swear to you. Fiji water, listen, God created this shit. I ain't even about to even be giving them promo like this because they should be paying for this type of promo. But this shit, like God created this shit. This shit is like, this shit different right here. You feel like you could go fight. You could go read a book. Like this shit for all, you feel smart. This bitch smart water for real, for real. You feel like you could roll up, smoke another joint. God created that water. Nigga say he just sent the invite. Boy, it's 2 in the morning. I'm not playing 2K. Fuck 2K. And y'all niggas be not passing the ball. Y'all niggas be getting me mad on that shit. I be mad. You niggas not passing the ball. I'm not playing with you niggas. If you want to play with me on 2K, just be ready to pass me the ball every play, or we not playing. Because I'm damn near like a walking bucket. I'm going to do all the scoring. So the moment you think you finna take a shot, that's the moment you off my team. Know. Unless you just super wide open. And if you wide open, you bet not miss, or I ain't playing with you no more. I got a 97 win percentage, boy. Fuck is you talking about, boy? I got a mic over my head. I only play with raw niggas. I ain't playing with no fucking bums. You niggas got the Adidas logo over your shit. I got the mic shit. I ain't playing with no ass niggas. I'm playing with niggas. Bitch, when I can't score, go score for me, nigga. Carry me, nigga. Oh, y'all sending friend requests. Don't be flooding me with friend requests on the game. Don't do that. We adding you.
Yo.
Yo.
Oh my God, you gotta check out my page. I rap.
You rap?
And I'm from Florida.
Let me have some. Rap some.
Let me see. I look better off the internet. I'm really top notch. Where you at? In your city like a pop shop? At bitch's head just like a top knot. Took 3 years off and now I'm aiming for the top spot. Tell them that they time up since these hoes keep on clocking me. Fuck how you feel. I don't owe you no apology. Cardi on the wrist for the hoes that keep on watching me. Bitch is weird. How you don't like me but you follow me? Cataract. Man, you always can never see me chunky dunky on the feet. Man, you always can't even get these. It's a process, but I make this shit look easy. I can give you hoes the playbook and you still can never beat me. In the club, I'm in the booth because I ain't standing on no floor. Trying to book me, I need my back end before I hit the dome. Finna go back in and find that person so they can't take you no more. They heard Kai back in the game, they're like a fan, I'm finna blow. See, I ain't never met a dollar that I didn't like. Ain't got shit to prove like a zebra, I earn my stripes. I up the price, got bitches wishing I never touched that mic. And you bitches ain't really spent, so I ain't convinced by the hype. My niggas step like David Cruz, got 60 drunk like a band. My location like a needle cause I'm under her skin. I was wearing city trends, now I been setting trends. And little bitch don't call me cousin, I was never your kin.
For sure.
I'm running out of breath, but yeah.
For sure.
But yeah, my music will drop.
You say you just dropped?
Yeah, I just started that rapping like a month ago.
What it's called?
It's my 2 million up remix.
For sure.
Oh my God, somebody told my son like I'm reading a book from him. But yeah, check out my page. I'm gonna go.
Alright, then.
All right.
Yeah. Y'all stay sucker free.